Here's how to fix Adobe After Effects crashes by optimizing settings to reduce lag and improve stability. Start by opening After Effects, then go to Edit in the top menu and selecting Preferences. Under that, click on General. Now here, you can access all of your settings. So first, you'll go to the Previews. And then under Fast Previews, make sure the Adaptive Resolution limit is set to a lower resolution. It can either be 1/8 or 1/16. Now, under Zoom Quality and Color Management Quality, switch them to faster or better performance. Now, go to Display on the left sidebar and then make sure to uncheck Hardware Accelerate Composition, as this can sometimes cause crashes. After that, go to the Media and Disk Cache and allocate as much as disk space as possible to After Effects for smoother previews. So to do this, click and drag the size of the maximum disk cache. Or you can just type in a value. By the way, make sure that this is also enabled. Additionally, clean your database and cache regularly to prevent After Effects from slowing down. And that's it. These settings should be able to help you with any lag or crashing issues.